We have our luncheon meat. Is there a chicken luncheon meat? I never tried before. Is it nice? Leave your comment below, alright? Give it a few stir.
Cooking up.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Yesterday, Appa actually has some leftover luncheon meat. This is probably slightly less than half of can of luncheon meat here. And today, I actually initially wanted to do a fried rice, but my wife said she wants to eat Maggi mee, fried mee goreng, using the instant noodle. So instead of frying rice, I'm going to use it to fry instant noodles instead, right? So first of all, we actually need to saute. Yeah, this is already sauteed. We want to saute this luncheon meat to bring out the flavor. And then of course you will need some instant noodles. Any brand will do, whatever brand you have. You can probably, I'm cooking for 3 adults now, and I'll probably use one of the powder inside there. And let's look at some of the other ingredients. I have some julienne carrot, spring onion, or you can put in any green veggie. I have some minced garlic and also shallot, 2 pieces of egg, and that's it. Very, very simple. So we want to saute the luncheon meat so that it is more fragrant by the time when we actually, right before when we want to add it into the mee goreng, yeah? Just brown it a little bit for a minute or two, then we can actually take it out. So this is after approximately about 2 minutes sauteing. Good enough, yeah, just brown it a little bit, which is good enough because the luncheon meat itself is already cooked, done. We're going to set this aside. Right, first of all, we need to blanch the noodle. Prepare some boiling water here. Put in the noodles, and the trick here is read the instruction on the packet. If the instructions say blanch the noodle or cook the noodle for 2 to 3 minutes, then sorry, almost forget one more. Then you cook 2 minutes. Choose the shorter ones. Why? Because later we are going to stir fry. Okay? So if you blanch your noodle until full 3 minutes right now, later when you stir fry, it will become too soggy. So that is the only thing you need to take note. Right now it's just about 2 minutes. Still a bit springy, not too soggy yet. Now I'm going to take it out. Take the noodles out. Right, once you remove the water, you can set the noodles aside. So first of all, we are going to give it a little bit of oil here. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to start with. Then we are going to add in the shallot and garlic and saute it for a while. We're going to come back shortly. Once you start seeing some of the garlic and onion becoming browny, we can actually put in the carrot and the white portion of the spring onion. Continue sauteing. Then I'm going to push this aside. I'm going to add in the egg, 2 eggs here. I'll give the egg a little bit of seasoning, some light soy sauce, and some white pepper. And I'm going to break the egg. Let me double check the camera. Wow, nice. All right, allow the egg to stay a little bit, taking some shape. Then we mix everything nicely together. I wish you can smell this. You can smell the egg, the shallot, the garlic. Very nice. And we are now going to add in the noodles. Oh, good, it did not get overexposed. Now I'm going to add in 1 packet of the powder that comes together. This is a little bit spicy, so I only add 1 packet out of the 3. Probably I won't even use all, just half. Instead, I'm going to mix some of my rice. Reduce the heat first. My cooking appa chicken stock powder. One round of light soy sauce. Maybe 2 rounds. A little bit of oyster sauce. Okay, while we are adding the sauce, you can actually tune down the fire, right? So that you won't get chao da. And now we can raise the heat. And I don't mind adding a little bit of water, hot water here. Wow, super fragrant, really super fragrant. For the sake of color, I'm going to give it a bit of dark soy sauce. Okay. Put it on medium-high heat right now and continue stirring. Basically, our noodles is already 90% cooked. You just want to make sure the sauce is has nicely coated with the noodles, then it is done. And last but not least, we have our luncheon meat. Is there a chicken luncheon meat? I never tried before. Is it nice? Leave your comment below, alright? Give it a few stir. Just make sure all the noodles is evenly coated with the sauce and it is done. I nearly forget, I still have some spring onion left. Put it in. With a few stir and it is really done this round. Alright, so here's Appa very simple Maggi mee goreng with luncheon meat. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.